Morning and welcome back to the channel. So a nice quick video showing this beautiful, iconic Mark V Golf, but it's the R32, so it's not just any old Golf. It's on a 1K chassis. We don't see many of these, to be honest, and there's not that many left on the road, and the ones that are probably quite valuable now, just due to the fact that this is such a beautiful car. Drives nicely, sounds nice. But the reason why this customer has been into us is he's got an aftermarket head unit, and it's got the standard factory B-Sting antenna. Now this B-Sting antenna only catered for one thing, and that was FM. Probably did AM as well, but FM. Now, with modern head units the way they are, this customer wanted FM and combined DAB, digital radio, but also better GPS, because you know, any GPS antenna fitted inside a car is then not going to get as much or as many GPS satellites as possible, and you're not going to get your best coverage. So what we've done is we have removed this from the roof, and the boys have fitted our very popular German shark fin antenna. So this is FM, this is DAB, and this is GPS. It's also 12-volt amplified. It's not passive, it's not phantom, it is actually done through a 12-volt amplified trigger. So the boys will remove the antenna, and it will leave, apart from leaving a dirty footprint of where the old antenna is, they'll then give this a bit of a clean up, bit of a T-cut, ready to access this for the footprint of the GPS antenna or the shark fin. We then use some silicon sealant, some decent high-grade silicon sealant to put around the shark fin, so that when we do up the nut, it then really seals. Now we do find actually a lot of these from factory aren't done up that tight. You only need a little adjustable spanner, and you just need to just loosen it off, and away it comes. So it is just that seal that does the job. They never leak, so, well, as far as I'm aware. So this is now all in and done and dusted. The boys have dropped the roof lining or the head lining down, and all the cables are run to the front. Now, in most instances, we utilize the full cable lengths, but on some we actually then get rid of the cable length. Otherwise you're left with potentially 1 or 2 or more meters of spare cable that is then going to lose you signal. And if you've got that coiled up somewhere, it doesn't do you any favors. So FM and DAB have been connected to this aftermarket head unit. GPS is something different, because GPS will come with the standard blue FACRA, which is the housing, FACRA connector, and then Richard will cut the plug off the Kenwood GPS and then solder it onto ours to make sure it's a nice, safe, solid connection, and then test it for continuity. So this is Mark V Golf R32, and this customer wanted improved FM, DAB, and also GPS, all on this nice, neat, tidy antenna. Personally, if it was me, I'd have had it color coded, but it's not necessary. It's not going to make any difference to the signal. It would just look as nice as you can. But then saying that, the factory antenna isn't, so not really a big deal. If you've got a vehicle like this, we have got another YouTube video showing the transporters. We've also got one showing an Audi TT. So if you've got a vehicle like this or any other vehicle that you want to upgrade and get a better FM or DAB, or FM, DAB and GPS, then please do get in touch with us. Website's in the bio, and thanks for watching.